Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix a troubled battery life on your iOS 26, or if you're facing this kind of issue, you can watch this video completely. So the first and foremost step is all about if you're having the trouble with a terrible battery drop, what you need to do is just update your iPhone. That's what you have to do as the first and foremost one. To do so, just go over here, tap on the settings and go to the software update, and you have to check if you're having any kind of update. So in my case, as you can see, I'm having an update, so just update your phone. So if you're especially using the older models like 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, and even the 13 and all these segments, many users is having this kind of issue. So all we have to do is just update your phone. So that's what you have to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm having another device. In my case, as you can see, this particular device has been I'm having another phone in my case which is up to date. So as you can see, I did updated this particular phone, and right now after updating, I'm having a little bit major, what you have to say, the terrific kind of battery drop has been completely fixed. Not in the say it is 100% fixed, but even though comparing with the previous version, this is much better. So that's what you have to do, and you can just update your phone, and most probably that's going to help you guys out. So if you find any kind of suggestions, or if you have any kind of suggestions regarding this, you can let us know in the comment sections, and I'll try to get back to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.